Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. So today, this video is kind of a little bit spur of the moment. I wasn't planning on doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, but then the other day, I was just really feeling inspired by makeup and I just started thinking about all these looks, and for some reason, I had such a strong urge to play with peach. And when thinking of peach makeup, I usually think of spring, and I was like, okay, well, spring is a while from now and I don't really want to wait that long to play with peach. So then I was like, oh wait, Valentine's Day, so I decided that I would do this look and do like a soft Valentine's Day look. And this is also kind of just a last minute look that I think is super easy for anyone to achieve. And if you're a beginner and this doesn't look easy to you, my suggestion would be to take out the wing, because then this look is really gonna be easy. But yeah, I'm really in love with how this turned out, and I'm really glad that I decided to do a little Valentine's Day makeup look for you guys. So if you like this look, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. So if you support me and my channel, a thumbs up would mean the world. And also be sure to comment below your thoughts. I always love interacting with you guys. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific. It is such a fun time around here and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. But without further ado, if you want to see how I achieved this look right here for Valentine's Day, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're about to get started. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I just moisturized my face with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, but I'm going to dive right in and do my eyebrows. And if you watch my channel a lot, you know that I cannot talk while I do these, so we're just gonna speed it up, and I will be back with carved out lids and primed eyes, and we're gonna start on the shadows. Okay guys, so my brows are done, and I always cringe while I'm editing back this part because my brows are not at all close to the finished product at this stage. I don't know, whenever I do my eyes first and I don't have my full face done, I look back at my brows while I'm editing and I'm like, no. Anyways, but now you guys are extremely zoomed in, and today's look is inspired by peachy tones. And by the way, can we just talk about my nails for a second? I'm obsessed with them. They're from Nail Her, and you can always get money off Nail Her nails with the code Adyel, but these are stunning. I don't know which style these are, but I will link them down below, but they're so pink and girly and cute. But anyways, I've been wanting to do a peach look for so long. I was gonna wait till spring, and then I was like, you know what, Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse. So today I'm going to go in with my peach palette, which is one of my all-time favorite palettes. And Candied Peach, I want that to be the main shade. I want this to be super peachy, but I want to take a little bit of Georgia, which is a soft pink shade, and I just want to pop that into my crease. And this is going to start to bring out those soft pink tones, but this is a really soft look today. The main focus is going to be on the glitter, and I'm pretty sure I want to do a winged liner, but I'm still kind of contemplating if I should or not, if I'm being completely honest. So as you can see, Georgia is a perfect soft pink. I'm using this as our transition for today. I'm going to do the same exact thing to our other eye, and today's shadows should take really quick. So now that I have a super rough just transition color, I'm going to take Candied Peach, and this is our star of the show today, and she is going straight into the crease, and I'm also going to work on blending her upwards. This shade does have some sparkles in it, but they honestly really don't show up, especially when you're blending it out. So don't worry, you won't have a sparkly crease whatsoever. This palette literally smells amazing. I cannot get over it. Every time I'm using it, I just want to eat it. And fun fact, I'm allergic to peaches. So I can't even eat peaches, but it's okay because this smells like candied peaches. Like literally like the shade I'm using right now, it smells like candy, so it doesn't smell like a fresh peach. I love peachy looks so much. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of just peachy. It is a more shimmery shade, so I just want that for the color. I don't want too much of it. I just want to bring out more of those peach tones. Okay, I just moved one of my lights closer, so I hope that looks good. But anyway, I'm gonna take my favorite blending brush, the Morphe M504, and I'm gonna go in with Georgia, just a dip of it, just because I want to use it to blend out everything. I think because this look is so soft, I do want to add a winged liner because I feel like it'll make it look more put together. If you want to go the light route, I wouldn't add a wing. I'm also going to take Candied Peach and I'm going to bring that on the outside of the lid a little bit because we are going to be putting glitter on the inner part of the lid, so I just want this to be on the outer part. And then just going back in with Candied Peach to brighten that up a little bit because blending it out got it just a tiny bit dull, so. Okay, so now I have these little potted loose glitter pigments from Shani. And I want to take the peachy one as well as a mixture of these two more orangey ones. And I'm going to pop these all over the lid. Out of these two orange ones, I think I'm going to go with the lighter one more. But I'm just going to take this Shani flat shader brush, which is perfect to apply glitters. And I'm taking my Too Faced glitter glue and kind of creating like a half cut crease shape for it all to go onto. First, do they have numbers? Okay, good. This one is number 34, so I'm gonna go in with that. Of course, when I put my nails back on. All right, that's why we have tweezers. This shade is super iridescent and it's kind of more green toned, which is what I don't want. So I'm gonna try going into the next shade, which is 21. That's so freaking pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna repeat these same exact steps onto the other eye. And although I didn't like that first shade, I'm still gonna put it on in the exact same steps that I did, just because I want the same intensity, and that did do something, you know? Mixing all the shades together is what created this. So what I can say about these is I really like the way these are built. They don't come out super fast or easily. They are not messy whatsoever, which I love. And they're definitely more pigments than they are glitters, exactly like what they say, but they do have chunks of glitter in them and I really like it. So then going in, I'm just taking my big fluffy brush and using it to blend. And blending the shadows in, it kind of changes the color and creates an ombre fade, which is absolutely stunning. So now I'm going to turn the camera off, pop my wing liner on, and I'll be right back. And by the way, today for my liner, I'm going to be using the Balm Schwing liner. Okay, 3 trillion years later, we are going to move on to the face. So we have really soft, delicate eyes, and for my face today, I want to be super glowy. I want a lot of blush today. I just want to look rosy and alive and really match with this look. So I'm using my smoothing primer by Makeup Forever. And then today, since I'm in a rush, I'm actually going out to dinner, meeting up with one of my YouTube friends, Simply Nessa 15. I'm sure you all know who she is. I love her to death. She is here visiting from Arizona, and we have tried to meet up so many different times that she's came to LA. It's actually funny because as soon as I moved to LA, she moved away from LA. So finally, I'm gonna see her. The last time I saw her was at the Too Faced Sweet Peach party, actually. And that was funny because she had no idea I was going to that, and I had no idea she was going to that, so it was a nice little surprise, but I'm so excited to be seeing her tonight. we're going to be getting some dinner, so she's my little Valentine. But yeah, obviously I don't have a Valentine this year. I wish I could talk more about like this stuff with you guys, but see, with the thing about certain people lurking, I gotta watch what I say. So yeah, but I'm completely fine with the fact that I don't have a Valentine this year. I'd go into it, but I just said pretty much why I can't, so I'm just gonna keep quiet. And I actually, the funny part, this video today, I was going to do a video on what I look for in a future partner, well, future boyfriend, but I thought it's a little too soon to do that, even though I would love to. I'm definitely gonna do that eventually down the line, but I felt like I should probably save it. So one day I'm gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me on that. But I was thinking about it, but this video on it in itself was pretty last minute anyways, so couldn't really plan that out very well. So of course we're doing the normal face routine today, besides like blush and highlight and all that, which I'm gonna get into. Yeah, stay tuned because tutorials coming up. I'm gonna be using a lot of different products, new products, testing stuff out for you guys. It should be very fun. So I love the soft pink though, the eyes, the peachiness, and I think the wing liner really adds a lot to the look. I've been in a makeup motivational spot right now. Like, I just want to apply makeup all the time. I've been feeling creative, which is really good, so I'm very happy about that. So of course I'm going to set underneath the eyes. This Morphe sponge is seriously a lifesaver. I looked and it wasn't on the website anymore, and that's really depressing. I hope it's not, it's just because it's sold out and it's not because they don't sell it anymore. Because not only is the shape amazing, but the sponge itself is really amazing. They're really comparable to the beauty blenders, and normally I hate any other sponge. So just saying. So I'm baking around my nose today, also my chin, and we're gonna do a little around the smile lines as well. So now I'm gonna take my Better Skin powder and pack this in everywhere else. And also with this, I'm going to press in all the rest of the powder. So then get around everywhere. Really make sure to set around this area. I'm gonna lay a big tour down. Guys, if you don't do this yet, what are you doing? You have to. I save so much bronzer by doing this. It creates such a natural contour. And I put this on the sides of my nose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go and do my lower lash line. I'm gonna take our blending brush from the Transition, and I'm gonna take Candied Peach, and that's the shade that's going straight underneath. And also I'm gonna take a little bit of Georgia as well to smoke that out and make it look a little bit more toned down. Since it is on the lower lash line, I don't want it to be super bright. And I'm just gonna fix up my wing real quick and then combine my lashes, and we're gonna finish off our face. Okay, so first I wanna put on my lipstick. This is Kylie Cosmetics Dirty Peach, and I just wanna make sure that this matches correctly, and it's gonna go with my blush and everything. Okay, so this is really cute, but I think my eyes are too pinkish, so I'm actually gonna use Exposed, and this is exactly why I did this just now. Okay, I actually just added Candy K, and I think it's the perfect combination. I really like it. So now we're gonna finish off the face. So what I've been doing lately is not even contouring right away. I've been going in with my blush bronzer from the Huda Beauty palette, and then just mixing this on my cheeks. And because I set that big tour down, it's so simple. I love it so much. But today I actually want to go in with my Sweet Peach Glow palette. Really get a peachy face look. Such a beautiful product. It all looks stunning on the skin. Now for my highlight, I'm going to go with this one in this palette. And this is a peachy glow, and it is to die for. And I'm gonna mix this in with my Huda Beauty highlight as well, on the cheekbones at least. Just because I want it to stand out and be a little brighter on the cheekbones and not so much blend in with the blush. So we want a super peachy, glowy, and just like ripe look, if that makes any sense. And then again, I take my big fluffy brush. And now taking my powder brush, pop that highlight on the inner corners, can't forget, as well as the brow bone. And of course, let's spray and set the face. And now I'm going to transform a little bit to film the intro and outro, and voila. So this is the completed look. I really love how it came out. I love the peachy toned eyes and just the peachiness. I love the fresh face. I feel like it looks very ripe and pretty and glowy, and I love the lip combination, and I'm just overall really happy with how this turned out. If you wear this look on Valentine's, whether you're going on a date with a significant other, with some friends, whatever the case may be, I will be cooking myself a homemade meal, and maybe I'm thinking of making myself some chocolate covered strawberries to, you know, treat yourself. And I will be doing homework, so that's fun. But no, in all honesty, and I feel like I've said this before, I don't really know if I have, but if I've ever said in the past, like, comforting those of you who don't have a Valentine, now you can really take my comforting seriously, because I don't have a Valentine, and I'm completely okay with that. I've learned that you have to love yourself, and if you're feeling a little bit down, if you don't have a date on Valentine's Day, I want you to focus this Valentine's Day on loving yourself and appreciating yourself, because love will not come to you if you don't love yourself. And don't dwell so much on it. A lot of people that I know are really dwelling on wanting a relationship and wanting to find that person, and honestly, things come when you least expect it, and everything that's meant to happen is going to happen at their own pace, and you're gonna end up with someone eventually and someday. And I was just in a 5-year relationship, and let me tell you, just because you're in a long-term relationship or you're with somebody doesn't always mean that you're happy or it's what's best for you. So all my viewers, especially my young viewers that are my age or even younger, focus on yourself. Love will come, and I promise you, I have been so good and so happy just focusing on myself. So yeah, I wish I could tell you guys so much more about like my life and like the stuff that's gone on, and like the extent of how much I've realized certain things, how this breakup has literally changed my life for the better, but unfortunately I feel like I can't right now, but eventually in the future I'm definitely gonna tell all of this to you. But I don't know why this outro is so long. I just felt like I needed to say something and inspire you all. Literally on Valentine's Day, get up and get glam for yourself. I can't even tell you, I've been having so much fun lately getting ready and getting all dressed up for nobody but my own damn self. It makes you feel poppin', it makes you feel good on the inside and outside, and yeah, just love yourself. I love you. Every single one of my supporters, you're my Valentine this year. I encourage you all, even if you do have a Valentine, just really take in the love and really learn to love yourself, because at the end of the day, that's what matters most in this lifetime. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look. Also, please let me know any other looks that you would want to see, different color schemes, challenges, different things like that. I have a lot of fun planned, and I have a really exciting thing that I want to do that I'm not sure if I'm going to do 100% yet, and I don't want to say it out loud yet until I can for sure make sure that it can happen. But let me just say, as a little hint, I'm going to need a lot of video requests for that, so let me know. But I'm gonna stop my rambling now and let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.